off, goddamn. Okay, let me sit on my chair. It's 9A. It's gonna take off. Where's my seat? This is the first class, bro. This is I'm the window seat, the cool guys, right? Oh, we have a team. We are in comfort, bro. Look at my PC. Okay, let me look outside. Oh, we're talking golf. Oh, it's shabby in here. It's shaking, goddamn. Oh my god. Can we drip? Okay. You're gonna die, sit down. Oh, we're up. Hello, passengers. We are now cruising altitude. Feel free, get your seat up, explore the place. Thank you, plane guy. Okay. Hey, bro, where am I going? Okay, first class, bro. This is first class. Hey, bacon. Oh, nah, bro, I'm not sitting you behind me. Okay. Oh, hey, girls. Come to me, please. Oh, what the frick? Ladies and gentlemen, it seems we have an unexpected power out. So we see. Please do come, sweethearts, and try to fix it. Hey, girls, give me some food. I'm hungry. I'm being knocked out, bro. Am I farting? Oh my god, on the engine! What the frick? Bro, let me turn. Bro, this is weird. Shut up. Hey! Who's it? I'm coming for the booty. Who's on the wing of the plane? Who's it? Nobody, bro. You just scared. Nobody is. Oh no! Bro, what the freak? Who's on the plane? Oh, the monster! Let me give it a kiss. Oh hell no! Look at that. You're farting. God damn. He's coming for the booty. He's coming for the booty. Oh! Bro! Do you like me? Bro, don't kiss me. Oh my god, help, bro! Help! Bro, he's only targeting you. Oh! Bro, please. Hey, bro! He's on my booty. Oh my god, thank God. Thank God. Perfect. We have a solid issue. We are very sorry about that. You very sorry. There was a master on the plane. We are gonna serve you a pizza. Yum, bro. Give me some pizza right now. Bro, I'm being knocked out. Hey, give me. Oh, look at this pizza. Look at that pizza, bro. Oh, it's pepperoni. What do I silly do? Look at my pizza. Eat that pizza, bro. Hey, girl. Let's go, bro. Are you twins? Look at the hair. Oh, hell no. Okay. Hello, everyone. This is your pilot speaking. Okay, it seems we are going to choose a Sanders from Serville. Oh my god. Hey bro, I want to sit with you. We would like to ask return to your seats. Okay. Okay. Hey, bro. Oh, it's shaking. We might crashed. The lights. Oh, hell no, bro. The monster. The engine is on fire. Who's it? Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh no! We will have a land on the sea. Okay, bro, I'm going to Bahamas. Real quick, everyone, grab a life jacket. Bro, give me one. Give me one. Oh yeah, bro. Sit. Oh yeah. I'm going to fall. Hey, bro, no problem. I am in here, bro. No problem. My health. Oh, I'm swimming. Oh my god. I can't swim. Quick, everyone, get on the wing, bro. It's just 2 hours. This living sure save our life. Yeah, bro. It's bro. Do you have a shark? Look at the crew. Oh yeah, do not make it out. Okay, bro. Bro, are we moving? What, bro? What is that noise? No, wait. It's Spider-Man? Oh no. Shark! God damn it, bro! Shark? I hate shark. Where's the shark? I'ma kill him by my gun. Watch out. Oh my god. Hey, look! Bro, no! My head! No, bro! No! Don't come for me. I'm not your meals. Keep on jumping. Bro, what kind of wing is this? Look at the shark. God damn. Look at the tail. Hey, I'm not your meal. You're my meal. Oh, where's my brother? That guy. Oh, he swimmed? Okay, I see him. Bro, look at the shark. Haha, bozo. You can't come over here. Hey, bozo. Oh, no, bro. What the frick? This is a shark, not a human shark. Oh, phew, we make it. Oh, yeah, bro. That shark, though. My God. Look at the wing. Now, where bro, I need apples right now. Hey, bro, give me your pizza, bro. You have on your hand, bro. Give me your pizza. Oh my god, give me your pizza, bro. I'm hungry. Let's speed it half. Right, we need to find food right now. Yeah, bro, this is an apple. And build a shelter. There must have food in here. Bro, I found it. Hey, give me that pizza though. Okay, I found it. I found it. Oh, I have found the apples for us to eat. Me and you to eat. Bro, let me bite off this apple. Oh, I'm hungry. That bus and best. Give me that pizza on your hand. Hey. Look at that pizza. Bro, what? Wait. What is that master saw us? What if he's here? Oh. With us? Yeah, I do, bro. I'm gonna fart on him. Discuss about your strengths, master. With the guy. Okay, bro. I saw the masters. I'm gonna kill him, okay? I saw this masters, okay? And Hey, don't teleport. I saw the monsters, blah blah blah, pew pew pew, and that's over. Let me type to him. Oh, hey, blah 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 blah. Look at the sunset. Wow, I like that. Hold my hand, bro. Hold my hand. Oh yeah, bro. It's raining. Oh no. Oh no. Bro, it's raining. It's hitting me. Uh-oh. I think I saw a cave at the hill. Use for shelter. Where, bro? Where? Oh, I found it. Found it. Hey, bro, come. You're 1 HP, bro. I'm 30. Hey, bro. Give me that pizza, please. I'm asking for the pizza only. I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry. I'm a big boy. Oh no! The caves collapse, bro. What? Oh hell no, bro. Let's get there before we crash. Let's go to get. I don't care, bro. Oh, this is an OP. Hey, bro, this is easy. Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy, and easy peasy. Who? Oh yeah. Bro, what am I doing now? Help, bro, help. Where's that guy? He died? Nah. Bro, what the frick? The cage, okay. It's like a jail. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. Oh! Bro, what kind of rock is that? What kind of rock is that? Oh. What kind of rock is that? Bro, I'm trapped here. Open up. Oh yeah, bro, I'm so strong. I put a hole on a cave. Oh, we escaped, bro. I am here, bro. That guy left me. Uh-oh, it's dark. Bro, I'm alone, bro. I'm shaking my legs. Shaking my legs. I'ma be right here. Ooh, that's slide. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, okay. What happened? I feel like we're being watched. By who, bro? You can't take this feast, bro. Oh, run the caveman. Oh, hey, you want the smoke? You want? Oh, he's on my booty. He's on my bro. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Bro, seriously? Guys, that's gonna be it. Hit the subscribe button and peace out.